Alright, folks, building a bathroom, a three-piece bathroom in the basement. So the floor is dug out. So let me show you the details. That old white pipe on the right side is the main stack for the house. So what we did is we used the Y to connect the toilet to the main stack, and then brought up another piece to take the drain for the sink, and then another pipe that goes and receives the water from the shower. So that little curve that you see there, that's the vent that goes up all the way and connects to the vent that goes up to the ceiling. And also the sink is vented the same way to the same vent that goes up to the ceiling. So you need to take your time and do the right kind of plumbing, because if your toilet or your sink or your shower, they're not vented properly, you'll have a lot of issues down the road. Vent them properly and do the right thing before you close the floor, because once you close the floor and you've put your tiles and your drywall and whatnot, then things will be 10 times more difficult and maybe 10 times more expensive to redo it. So do it right the first time, and it will pay off in the long run. Yes, it will be a little bit of work. You see how much work it is to take that and vent it out. If I may go here and show you how it's connected. Sorry, there's no light here, but yeah, it goes all the way out. So yeah, this is how you vent a shower, a toilet, and a shower.